Hey, how's it going? Reagan Ram here with episode number 2 of my Build an Online Business from Scratch vlog series. And today I'm going to be giving you an update on my progress. How is my brand new business doing? So it's been about 2 months later. Now I've been kind of slow on getting these episodes out, so hopefully I'll be getting more frequent updates out to you and showing you more behind the scenes what I'm working on here coming up soon. So far, initially when I started, I wasn't making any money and still not making any money. Great. I have published 10 new pieces of content. Now, that is a much slower pace than I would like to achieve. So that's one thing I've learned already is as I've started going through this, already having a full-time business, already having a full-time business and a part-time business, trying to add in another business on top of that. It's hard to find the time. So I've been trying to work and rearrange my schedule to try and get more time to record videos. And so my solution to be able to get more content pieces published is batching. So that's what I'm doing today is I've kind of cleared the whole day just for videos, not just for my Orpheus Audio Academy business, but also for my other businesses as well. I've also got a live stream for the members of my Adventure Brand Coaching community, where I'm actually teaching all the strategies that I'm implementing myself for this business. And I have a live live Q&A in there today as well. So I've kind of tried to get a lot of my video stuff done on one day. And so hopefully we'll see how that pays off, see if I can get more content pieces published, because I'm kind of creating my 2-year timeline. I'm kind of following what the experts at Income School, they're people I follow on how to grow a brand. They've kind of put together their own kind of 24-month timeline on what you want to be doing every month in order to be making a full-time income. And so by this point in time, they would like you to actually have a total of 40 published pieces of content. I only have 28 total, and I've done 10 new in the last 2 months. So I'm behind. I got to catch up. I've got to create more content. So hopefully by my next update video, you'll see that I've created a lot more content. We'll have a lot more data to go over. So that's that. However, my page views have gone up quite a bit. They've about doubled. So I've gone from, I was getting about 4,800 page views a month to now I'm getting almost 10,000 page views a month. So with just 10 new pieces of content, that's really encouraging to see my page views are going up and going up. So my audience is really growing. So I had 74 email subscribers originally when I started. Now I'm up to 297. So that's really encouraging. So I'm actually building an audience. I'm actually having people that are subscribing. Can you imagine that? Having a room, and it doesn't sound like much, but can you imagine like going to a room to talk to people and seeing 279 people there to listen to you talk? You need a pretty big room for that. You need like, you wouldn't just be able to have like a little conference room or something. You would have to have, a pretty decent sized room to fit 297 people in there that have raised their hand and said they want to hear and listen from you. This is, again, no ads, just putting content out there, and then people find it for free, find my blog posts, and I have my lead magnets on my posts. They opt in, get on my email list. So going forward, what I'm going to want to do is just create more content, continue to grow that audience, and then offer a product to them, create an info product. So that's what's on the horizon. Here is kind of the timeline that I'm following, which you can go to project-24-timeline. Kind of can show you the timeline that you're wanting to follow. And so this is kind of me just keeping track of my stats here for in January and February. Another concern is my bounce rate is really high. I don't know if that's because I'm getting a lot of traffic from India, from Malaysia, from Nigeria. I've gotten a couple emails from people in Nigeria asking with help on growing their Spotify. So I don't know if that's why I'm getting a higher bounce rate, is people that don't speak English are finding my posts and immediately leaving. So if you don't know, bounce rate is when someone visits your website and then they leave immediately without going to any other pages on your site. I don't know if I need more internal links and stuff. So this is something I'm going to be exploring. I'll probably be asking some people that I know, some groups that I'm in, asking around and seeing how I can reduce my bounce rate. But the really encouraging things is the page views are going up and the email list is going up. So that's really encouraging. And the last email I sent out, which is quite a while ago, I need to pick this up. I need to write more emails because we're early March right now. My last email was late February. But I did have a nearly 40% open rate. Let's see if I can zoom in here. I did have a nearly 40% open rate and a nearly 7% click-through rate. So that's really good. So that means my audience is engaged. They want to hear more from me. So I need to give them more content, give them more emails. So that's what I need to do. I need to find more time to keep the fire going. I feel like there's some embers burning. There's like a small fire growing. I need to add more fuel to the fire to kind of build this up. So that's what I'm going to be working on going forward. So then here we are in March. I'll hopefully have another update video at the end of March or maybe beginning of April. And so the goals for this month are to have 15 published content pieces. According to Income School's guide, I'm probably not going to hit that, but I'm going to see if I can get at least 10, maybe 12. I don't have anything published yet, but I've got a lot of stuff recorded and written. I just need to finish it and get it published. Bounce rate, they say 40% is good. So I don't know if I'll be able to get that down, but that's what I'm going to be shooting for. Page views are saying you should only have 50, but again, I'm in a little bit of a different situation because like I said in my first video, I already had 17 blog posts published that I had published sporadically over the course of a couple of years and didn't really do anything with them. And I just recently completely revamped my website and so and started publishing again. So I am a little bit ahead in the page views department. They don't even recommend starting an email list until like after a year into it. I don't really agree with that. I'm like, that's kind of a waste if you're going to be getting all this traffic. You might as well get them on your email list. But it's a little bit different because they kind of recommend just creating a niche site, which is a little bit different than an authority site. If you want to know more about the differences, let me know in the comments below. It's kind of a different video topic. So far in March, I've gotten 37 new email list subscribers. So I'm ahead on that. Shouldn't be making any revenue yet. And then it's April and they really say you should start making income, and that's by putting ads on your site. So that's probably what I'll be doing coming up. Probably put some ads on my site if I got the page views, enough page views for that. And see if I can start getting some revenue. We'll see what happens. So that is my update video for my Build Your Online Business from Scratch vlog series. Let me know what else you want to see. I'm going to have more videos coming out very soon on what I'm actually doing behind the scenes. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you want to follow this series and make sure you don't miss anything. And if you want to follow along yourself and start building your own brand, then grab my free course, Brand Creation Blueprint. I'll link to it in the description below. This is a free course. So this course will walk you through how to get started with creating your own brand and even how to get your own website up and running like I have. So if that sounds interesting to you, grab that free course. Otherwise, I'll see you in a future video.